Hey guys, we're here at Lockhart Gorge.
Looking pretty spectacular here, so
We'll give you a view of it.
that's alright. Pretty cool spot. I don't mind it. Oh, just popped up underneath this cool little cave. Some big waves coming through. Like, came in and got cut off before trying to get back there. You got stuck, but nah, it's pretty fun. Pretty cool place. I like it. I like it a lot.
It'd be rude to come here and not go in the water, eh?
Yeah, we get no one else is. He's in. He's in. He's got sat on. He's got flattened.
Too much.
Too much action. Too much chat, not enough action.
Hey guys, make sure you're subscribed because this is a sick place.